good thing? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to make peanut butter chocolate chip cookie dough brownies that are made up of healthy ingredients and they're dairy free. What? I know. My name's Chelsea Cush. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump into this recipe. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of liquid coconut oil, 1/3 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of cacao powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now you're just going to mix everything together and add it to a greased 8x8 baking dish. Bake it for 25 minutes. In a clean bowl, add 2 cups of almond flour, 1/3 cup of creamy peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and 1/2 cup of dairy-free chocolate chips. I use the mini ones. Once it's done baking, let it cool completely, and then you can add the cookie dough layer and spread it on the top. Store it in the fridge and you are done. Alright you guys, it's finally done. Super quick, super easy, super fast. Now I am ready to do the taste test. That's good. I mean, it seriously tastes like peanut butter cookie dough. The top layer, so good. The bottom is a little bit bitter, so it's not too sweet, which is good. It just complements like the top layer, the cookie dough flavor. It's really good. It does have a tiny bit of like a grainier texture. You could never tell it's made out of almond flour. If you do want the bottom layer to be a tiny bit sweeter, you can add a little bit more maple syrup, but I personally think it complements the top layer. So for those of you who don't know me, I am lactose intolerant. When I was like 16 years old, up until 16 years old, I could eat dairy with no problem. And for the longest time, I just had to cut it out and not eat it because, I don't know, I'm almost 30, like 15 years ago, all these really amazing dairy alternatives were not really in the picture. Like basically the only thing they could have was like soy milk. So I used soy milk for my cereal, but I never drank it. Like I had to cut out my Olive Garden creamy chicken Alfredo pasta. Man, I literally craved that. Like, I wanted it so bad, and I thought, oh, I'm never gonna have dairy again. Like, there's never gonna be anything out there for me. But nowadays, like the whole new vegan wave that's going on, there's like tons and tons of ways to replace dairy and replace it into your diet. There's so many different alternatives these days, and it's not like they're just a substitute, like they're not good. Like, these are freaking bomb. So going forward, I am going to start doing a lot more videos that are dairy free. So if you're dairy free, if your kids have a dairy allergy, if you are lactose intolerant like me, or if you're just trying to cut out dairy because it's a little bit more healthy to kind of cut out dairy, then you're gonna want to subscribe to my channel because I really want to provide you guys with good videos and good recipes to kind of satisfy that dairy like craving that you guys have if you're in my situation or similar. You don't have to give up all the fun foods, the ice cream, the cheesy queso. I am gonna show you guys another side of cooking that you probably haven't seen before. So I hope you guys are interested. If you are, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments if you're considering going dairy free, or if you have an allergy or intolerant like I am. Let me know. I want to hear from you guys. Okay, I'm like trying to talk, but I cannot get her to be quiet, so you guys just gotta deal with it because I'm the only one here, so sorry. And just because I'm going forward doing these types of recipes doesn't mean that all my people who aren't dairy free, like, oh, I'm never gonna watch her videos again. These are recipes that anyone can do, and I'm not gonna post these videos if they're not good. So, like, I'm not gonna be just posting it because it's dairy free. Like, I've tried stuff that are dairy free, like these, I've tried brownies before that were healthy brownies, and they were nasty. Like, no, I'm not gonna post nasty stuff on here. So, always know I'm gonna have, like, your best interest at heart. I'm not gonna be posting no crap on here. Like, it's gonna be freaking good. So, if you're not dairy free, like, just try it. It's worth trying. Rather than just disregarding it because you're not dairy free or whatever. Just give it a shot. Never know. You might like it. And that's it. I hope that you guys like this recipe. I really hope you try this out. Let me know in the comments if you think it looks good. I guess I'm gonna go and finish my brownie. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!